used to transport the sugar cane in carts like this, moved by horse and a horse, and squeeze it in this presser. Putting the sugar cane through, then doing this moved by horse and a horse, then squeeze the sugar cane. They obtain the juice. That juice is boiled, and there is a part that gets crystallize. That's the sugar. The other part that doesn't crystallize is the molasses. Then from the molasses, they obtain the alcohol through a fermentation and distillation process. During this tour, I will show you the Brugal family and 5 generations of master blenders, distillery, and aging process. And of course, you are going to taste 2 different types of rums. If you have any questions, you just let me know. These 2 are the same age. They are blends from 3 to 8 years. This one is aged only in American white oak barrels, and this is aged in both American white oak, European barrel blended. Let's try extra barrel first.